Hello guys, in this video we will see how to add mods in NBA 2K25. Before we dive in this tutorial, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. So what you want to do is basically go to this website, and here you got a lot of different mods that you can use. For example, Anthony Davis Lakers portrait. So you just need to download this link, or you could have the NBA 2K25 Nike Air Jordan 11, and you just need to download this link. But before you download these links, make sure you have an antivirus software, just to be sure, because these links could be potentially dangerous. So yeah, just make sure they're safe. So that's it guys, just go to this website, forums.nbalive.com, and yeah, just try these codes, try these links, and thanks for watching.